Jai Siya Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, you can see the weather. It's very cloudy weather and yes, it's very cool air. The wind is blowing cool. So I feel very happy here. So okay, so let's talk about something in English. So in today's video we will discuss about a major problem that is faced by every English learner. So the problem is that what happened generally, many people, they started their journey with lot of enthusiasm, but after some times, I mean to say after 1 month, 2 month, they feel okay, it's very difficult language and they started give up. Okay, so in today's video we will discuss about never give up. Why? So in today's video I am going to give you some example which will help you to stay motivated throughout this English speaking journey. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so let's get into the topic. Okay, so today video we will discuss about don't give up on learning English speaking skill. Okay, so what happened, life is like a long journey. Sometimes it is easy, sometimes it is hard. We all have dreams, we all have goals. And but sometimes what happen, we face different kind of problems. We feel tired, we feel sad, we feel I can't do this, it's very difficult. Okay, I will give up. So these types of emotions will try to feel you demotivated. Okay, so what you need to do to stay motivated? So in today's video we will discuss about some points. Okay, so think about when you were a child or baby and you wanted to walk. Okay, did you fall? Yes, of course, many times. Did you stop learning how to walk? No. You tried, okay, lots of time, and you tried until you succeed. Okay, so use the same methods for learning this language. Okay, think about a tree. When we plant a tree, so when we plant a seed, you see the tree next day. No, it's not, because it takes time, it takes our patience, it takes our effort. We need to give some water, we need to give some sunlight for growing a tree, and after few days the seed will grow, and after few years there will be a plant. Okay, so use the same principle on order to learning this language. Okay, don't stop watering your dreams, don't stop giving sunlight your goals. Okay, what is your goal? Your goal is to be fluent in English, your goal is to be master in English. Then why are you trying to give up? Don't give up, please, never give up, because if you will keep on going and never give up, you can keep on going, you can make it to the top. Okay, you can make this language into the top, because the life is full of mountains. Full of mountains, I mean to say, just like this, you can see the mountains. Okay, so this is a mountains. So life is full of mountains, some are big and some are small. So here I mention mountain, that means samasyaएं. Okay, so life is full of mountains, some are big and some are small. Okay, but if we never give up, we can overcome them all. हम इसको किसी भी तरह से हम इससे उबर जाते हैं, क्योंकि यू नो लाइफ इज़ वेरी, इट्स अ लॉन्ग जर्नी. समटाइम्स वी फील सैड, समटाइम्स वी फील टायर्ड, समटाइम्स वी फील ओके इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट thing, I can't learn this language. So we need to motivate ourselves, we need to stay tuned, we need to get some motivation, we need to get some inspiration. Okay, so all the motivation, all the inspiration you can find according surrounds you. Okay, you can find some example, and I know some example will motivate you. So let's talk about some example here. When a scientist try an experiment and it falls, it fails many times. So what happened? They stop trying to do experiment? No. Okay, they again try to do experiment. So we should must be like a scientist, learn from your mistakes. Okay, if you are thinking like if I try to speak in English and I will make different kind of mistakes, so people will laugh at me. Don't worry about making a mistakes. Mistakes is a part of our English speaking journey life, and any skill that we want to learn, so it's happen initially time. Okay, so just think about when we are trying to learn any skill, and think about all the skill that we have learned. Initially time we feel very tired, we feel very hesitate, we feel very it's very difficult. But currently are you thinking like the same in initially time? No, you feel currently it's very easy. So think about all the skill that you have learned. Initially time you feel more difficult. Okay, so think about great people of this history. Think about all the people that they made their name in the history. Okay, did they give up? No. Did they face many problems? But they keep on going. But they kept going, and they can be you can be like them. You can achieve your goals, you can achieve your dreams. Okay, so if you never give up, think about Thomas Alva Edison, that invented a light bulb. And did you know he failed 100 times. Can you imagine? Yes, it's true. He failed 1,000 times. And yes, but the point is that he kept going. He kept, keep on going. He kept on going, and he never gave up. So he made his name in the history. So you are just like the others person that succeeded in their life. But the point is that you have to follow motivation, you have to consistent with your journey, you have to give some effort on your English speaking journey. And yes, at the end you will feel like it's very easy language, I can learn this language, I will be succeed in our English speaking journey. And this is a tool, this will help, this will give you respect, this will create confidence inside you. So that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like, to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.